Today in this video, we will learn about how to forcefully point a domain to a specific IP by using host file. You can do this in your Windows PC by editing C drive, Windows, System32, drivers, etc. and host file. For Windows PC, go to C drive and then tap on Windows folder. Now go to System32 folder. Now again go inside drivers. Now again go inside etc. And then here edit hosts file with Notepad++. You can also edit this file via Notepad. Here enter the IP address and then maintain few spaces and then enter the domain name. Now click on save. Now go to CMD and ping that domain name. You will find that the domain name is pinging to your desired IP address successfully. Similarly, for Linux PC, use following command to edit etc/hosts file. Now press I button to edit the file and then enter the desired IP address in front of domain name. Finally, press escape button and enter :WQ! In order to save and quit. Now if you ping the domain name, it will successfully ping towards the desired IP address.